Hi everyone, I'm a freelancer on Upwork. I work as a Loti animator, and I've lately realized that I could have charged the Upwork fee, Indian sales tax, and Indian GST on my earnings. So I use the Chat GPT to build this single web page. Yes. Okay. So the net calculator and the code calculator. For example, the client budget is 100, so I directly use it. Used to use it $100. So this $100, what would it do? It would reduce the 10 percentage, and it reduce the one tax of $100. That is 10 plus one. 10% of this is $10, and 1% of $100 is $1. So $11 already deducted, and additionally this 18 percentage of 10%, 10 percentage of upper fee. So 18 percentage of upper fee is $1.8. Totally here it is calculation. Upper fee $10. Indian tax of 100 is one. Sell tax is $1. That is a sell tax, and GST on that $10 is this much, and total deduction would be this much. So in hand I used to get this amount. So when I realized that I'm doing something wrong, then I started to use ChatGPT to calculate. For example, for same $100, if I propose the project with this budget, I would get exact $100. So this $100 would add $11.47 extra amount, because my budget is going to be this much, 114.7. This round off, by rounding off it would be 7. So this is 7. So that's why my 10% of pay is exactly $11.47. Now tax on this, by rounding off this 7 to 4, is a 5, and GST on this earning 2.06. So total charge would be 14.16. So this $14.16, if you deduct from the total earning, 14.68 minus $14.68, I would get $100 exact. So that's my earning. Now, but if I use direct same amount, for example, if I use only $100, I would get 87.27. So the I'm paying fee, tax, GST from my earning. So lately I realized, why should I pay? I should get the amount from the client only. So I charge extra, including the GST. Even if I use, for example, any random figure, for example, 256, so I have to charge this, otherwise I have to $32 point fraction. So this code is, you can build your own. Otherwise the code is available here, it's open. You can download this single file like directly from here, or download like this, just open it. If you are not Indian or any other place it zero, you can remove this and you can calculate your charges. If you have any taxes from your government, you can add here tax, whatever the tax you add here, you'll get the charges. For example, your government charges it uh 0.5, then the charges will be different. I hope this will help you for freelancers. Thank you.